channel. This is my bow stuff and Mom has glue, and you can put this on there, bow stuff. Hi everybody, this is a channel and my every single bow stuff. There's like, you can put this on erasers, and there's glue in case Mommy wants to do it. And we're watching a show, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Watch my channel. If thumbs up if you want, or thumbs up in the middle if your thumbs down. And subscribe to our channel.
And subscribe.
3, 2, 1. Hi everybody. Mom just glued the bows, and welcome back. Everybody is excited, but I hope it's gonna be Christmas in one day. And we saw Santa a long time ago. Hi. Subscribe to our channel. Thumbs up for you, Ryan. Goodbye.
I see.
Subscribe. Goodbye. Subscribe. Goodbye.